Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by choosing one clear football moment to feature and plan the clip length. Aim for a 15 to 60-second short that holds attention. Frame vertically with a 16:9 composition for phone viewing. Limit camera angles to 3 to reduce editing time and keep focus. Write a one-sentence hook that plays in the first 3 seconds to grab viewers. Prepare 2 supporting caption lines and a short voiceover to explain key action. Set your phone or camera vertical and stabilize it using a tripod or gimbal. Record at 60 frames per second to allow smooth slow motion on key plays. Use 3 camera angles maximum so editing stays simple and fast. Keep ambient noise low and avoid loud crowd audio during close shots. Record a short separate voiceover in a quiet room to explain the play. Capture brief B-roll such as footwork, cleats, and ball spin for cutaway shots. Open a simple editor and start by placing your 3-second hook at the beginning. Trim clips to keep pacing tight and aim for quick 2 to 4-second shots. Add captions that mirror your hook and 2 supporting lines for accessibility. Use quick transitions and a single upbeat music track to keep energy high without overpowering voiceover. Export vertical video at 1080 by 1920 and ensure the final length remains under 6.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.